How to change location in SKOUT. Are you guys facing issue to change location in SKOUT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change your location in SKOUT, first of all, open the SKOUT app on your mobile device. Once you open the SKOUT app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply tap on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile icon. After click on your profile icon, now next tap on edit profile. After you click on edit profile, scroll down until you see your location. If your GPS is on, SKOUT will automatically detect it. So here you can see this option for location over here, hometown. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, to do that, your location and enter the city or you want to appear from. Once you select it, tap Save or Update to confirm the change. If app doesn't allow manual change, make sure to turn off GPS and use location changer or VPN to update your region inside SKOUT. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to change your location on SKOUT application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.